My name is Kim with Ladies That Mahj, and today we're talking about 3 things you need to know about using jokers, especially for my beginners, but I've seen some experienced players making a very common mistake right now, and I want to make sure it doesn't happen to you. So we're going to talk about number 1, when you can use a joker, number 2, when you cannot ever use a joker, and number 3, we're going to talk about a mistake I'm seeing so much right now, and it's causing a lot of FAU-JONGS, and I don't want that for you. I want Mahjong wins all the way, so let's get right in. So the first thing I want you to know about the joker is it's the only tile that can take the place of another tile. Make sure you never confuse that with a paired dragon. And if you have any questions about using dragons, definitely check out my dragons video. Some people confuse a paired dragon as a joker, not the case. So that joker is the only one that can be used basically as a wild tile, like a wild card, right? But you can only use a joker if it completes 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, or 6 of a kind. And that's it. So let me give you an example. I have a 1 crack here and another 1 crack, and I need to make a pung of 1 cracks. So I can use my 2 1 cracks and a joker. The joker is representing a 1 crack. Again, the only tile that can do that. So this is now a pung of 1 cracks, 3 of a kind. You can do that with a joker. But say I needed a kong of 1 cracks. I could add another 1 crack with my joker. Now I have a kong or 4 of a kind of 1 cracks, and you can do that. Say I needed 5 of a kind for a quint. I don't have all my 1 cracks, but I could just add 1 more joker. And now I have a quint of 1 cracks, 5 of a kind, and you can do that. Say I needed the sextet of flowers. Well, I've got 4 flowers here, and I could add 2 jokers to it, and that would make a sextet of flowers. And guess what? You can do that. Now, something else I want you to know about using jokers is you don't have to just use 1. If I wanted, I could use 2 jokers with 1 flower, and that makes a pung of flowers, 3 of a kind of flowers, and you can do that. Guess what else you can do? Are you ready for this? You could have all 3, where is she? All 3 jokers, and that makes a pung of anything you want. So it's kind of crazy, but you don't even need the actual tile that indicates what the joker is. You could use all jokers to make a pung of flowers or a kong of flowers, if that was on the card, or a quint of 2 dots. Say you have no 2 dots, but you need a quint of 2 dots. If you had 5 jokers, you could use all the jokers. So you don't even need the actual tile, but the joker can only complete 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, or 6 of a kind. All right? That's the most important thing. If you can get that down, you're golden. But let's talk about what you cannot do with a joker. And basically, it's anything that doesn't complete 3, 4, 5, or 6 of a kind, right? So, for instance, say you needed a pair of flowers. Could you use a joker with 1 flower? Well, is this 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, or 6 of a kind? No. So you can never, ever use a joker in a pair. That's a no-no, all right? And it's ever. All right, another thing is, say there is 1 tile, a single tile. Sometimes you'll see a single dragon on the National Mahjong League card. You could never use a joker for a single tile, because is this 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, or 6 of a kind? No. All right, what else? You could never use a joker in a run, say 2, 3, 4. Say you have the 2 and the 4, and you just need that 3 crack, 2 crack, 4 crack, and you just need that 3 crack. You could never use a joker in the middle of that run, because a run is not 3 of the same tile, 4 of the same tile, 5 of the same tile, or 6 of the same tile, right? Another one would be news, N-E-W-S. Say you have the north and the east and the south right here. but you don't have the west. Could you use a joker to fill in that west? No, because this is not 3 of the same exact tile, 4 of the same exact tile, 5 of the same exact tile, or 6, right? So you can never use a joker in NEWS. You could also never use a joker for the year. So right now, 2026. If you see a meld, 2 crack, soap, 2 crack, 6 crack, that's what you're gonna be using for your line or your hand on the card. You could never use a joker anywhere in that meld because that's not the same exact tile, 3, 4, 5, or 6 of a kind, right? So to repeat all that and make it very clear, you can never use a joker for a single tile. You can never use a joker in a pair. You can never use a joker in a run. And a run would even include 2, 4, 6, 8. If you ever see that meld on the card that has 4 numbers together, but they're not the same number, then you can't use a joker, right? You could never use a joker in NEWS, and you can never use a joker in 2026 or whatever the year might be. You can only use a joker to complete a pong, a kong, a quint, or a sextet. If you get that down, you're golden, you're good. Now the thing is, there's one you're gonna really wanna do. You're gonna wanna use that joker in a pair. And that's why you'll see lots of funny t-shirts, expressions, memes that say you can never, ever, ever use a joker in a pair. And I mean ever. Okay, so make sure you remember that because this is probably one of the most common mistakes that I see. But I want to explain the most common mistake that I am seeing right now, not just with beginners, and I'm asked this question all the time. I am all set with my tiles and I just have 1 to go. I only need 1 more tile to complete the hand in the National Mahjong League card. And so I pick up this tile and I'm like, it's a joker, Mahjong. And I start to put out my hand here to show everybody what I've got. And I put the joker with a flower as a pair. And then I complete my hand and I show everybody what I've got. And then someone says, but wait, you used a joker in a pair and you can never, ever, 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 ever use a joker in a pair. And then my response that I hear so many people saying is, but I just picked up that joker, so it's my last tile for Mahjong. And if it's my last tile for Mahjong, I can use it in a pair. That is very incorrect. What you're thinking of when you have that mindset is that you can call for a tile, and if it's your 14th tile for Mahjong, you can call for a pair. But newsflash, you can never call a joker. If someone did discard a joker, which does happen, nobody can call it. It is a dead tile. So that will never happen. You will never call for a joker and say, oh, I called and therefore I can use it in a pair. That will never happen because you can't call a joker. And that's where the confusion is. People think if you pick up your last tile from the wall and it happens to be a joker, or maybe even you do a joker exchange and that's the last tile you need for Mahjong, that you could somehow use that in the pair that you needed to finish. But I want you to remember this. You can never, ever, 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 never use a joker in a pair. So even if it's your last tile that you pick up for Mahjong, I do not want to see you using that joker as a pair. And that is it for today. As long as you remember that a joker can only be used for 3 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, or 6 of a kind, you're gonna be in pretty good shape. Just try to make sure you never use it for a single tile, in a pair, in a run, in news, NEWS, or 2026. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Hope it clarified a few things for you. Definitely give it a like, a comment, a share, a save, and please subscribe to the Ladies That Mahj YouTube channel.